Hello, alright, in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about Folicrex before you buy this product. It also has some very important alerts to give you, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. First point of attention, and be careful with the website where you will buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website, and to help you I left the link to the official website below in the description of the video, okay? Now I will tell you what Folicrex and if it actually works. Then yes folks, Folicrex works. This is a natural supplement that prevents hair and accelerates hair growth, as it is natural and without contradictions. Folicrex, it is also GMP certified because it is made in the United States, so remember that if you want to try Folicrex you can try for 60 days, and if for some reason you don't like it or it's not for you, you can just ask for a refund and they will give you all your money back. Many people are having great results. People using Folicrex in just 2 months report seeing an improvement in hair loss. So what you need is to be constant when taking Folicrex. Recommended to take Folicrex for at least 6 months to get all your results and really recover your hair follicles in a healthy way. Remembering that if you really want to try this product, be careful to buy it on the official website. This guarantees that you will do the correct treatment and with at least 2 months to achieve a more expressive result, and that you will in fact commit to it. Therefore, also remembering again that you have this 60-day guarantee in case you for some reason don't like the result, because the result may not be as satisfying for you as it was for so many other people who actually had results. I really hope I've helped you in this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll be very happy to help you.